Wait. Okay, hello guys and welcome to another video. And today I'm playing Family Guy, The Quest for Stuff. Okay,
check it out.
I'm a legend, I don't really care. Okay, now we have a map.
I got time for whatever I want, fool.
Okay. Oh my God, have you seen this?
Did I hear some sorry-ass fools?
I'm sorry if it says bad.
I hope this doesn't make you feel
If you
awkward.
can't see this, sorry if this is offensive for you, like if you don't like right now. Okay.
They're shiny. That was amazing.
Okay, let me just get the points, and right now we will do it. Okay.
I got time for whatever I want, fool.
Yep.
That will take 2 hours.
How's it going? Giggity.
What is that supposed to mean?
I'm reading you loud and clear.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna see the quest is place other creation from the feature tab. Oh. Okay, now let's check this one. Now that we have there you guys, one dog. And let's visit the other one. The other city, I don't know.
It was enchanting.
Ah, well, that's disappointing.
Okay, now let's go home.
Finally.
It didn't take that long.
Yeah.
I really need to do that. Is it necessary?
I'm not worried. That's silly.
Okay. And now we are going to
Yeah, I can't do that.
and so I barely started this game like yesterday. Okay. Good. Okay, I don't have nothing to do.
What's up?
Should I? Yeah, I should. Okay, now we are going to play another game. Let's play Cooler. It's the same thing as this other game, but you need to play it on the computer, and I can't do it in the computer. And I try to do it because it's a website. I try to do it in. And oh, they ate me. Don't eat me. Don't you see what it says? It says don't eat me. Okay? Understand, people. Can't y'all read? Can't y'all read? Let's get some cooler coins. I don't know how to say it, but my little brother says it like that, and then yeah, I'm gonna be as big as y'all. I'm gonna eat y'all. And yes, I am gonna be really big. Oh my god! Oh my god, look at this little. Whoa! Oh, he just got eaten. Oh, let's eat him. Let's eat him. Oh, why don't you help me? Help me out. I wanna be big. Oh, he ate me. He totally ate me. It's got all these little ones. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I had this. I got this. I got this. I got this. Oh, he's bigger than me. Dang it. Oh, he didn't got me. Oh. Come on. I'll be as big. I want to be big, big, big. Oh, thirsty. What? 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 How could, what? I hate him. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. Good thing that I'm small. Oh yeah, you think that you can eat me? Oh, I am starting to get big. Starting to get slow. When you're big and slow. When you're big, you start to get slow. Oh my god! He got big. I'm small and slow. Oh, I just ate him. I ate him. I consumed him. I am a predator. Yes, I got you. Surrounded. I'm gonna get you. 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 Yeah. Come on, let's beat this. Okay. It is starting. Come on, consume me. I don't. Come on, consume me. Oh, not so fast. Not so fast. Gotti. 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 I wanna help him. I wanna help him. I wanna help him. Yeah. I wanna help you. I wanna help you. I wanna help you. I wanna help you. Let's help you. I wanna help you. Come on. Come on. Let's help you. Let's help you. No, I'm trying to help. you would have played with me, okay, Don Francisco. Or Don Francisco, I don't know. Oh, do you want to help me? I can help you. Good. Oh, it says internet. I don't want to play anymore. Okay. So, this is it, guys. Bye. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!